Number two of what you're going to need to clean up your business this spring is your digital space. This can include your computers, laptops, phone, iPads. I mean, how many apps are on your phone that you haven't used in years? How about the desktop on your computer? How many files and junk are sitting on there right now? If you needed to find a client's document in under a minute on your computer, could you do it? If not, you're probably wasting too much time every day looking for stuff. If you do this business clean out and organize your digital space like you've done your physical space, you're going to be much more productive. Our 30-day spring clean business challenge is going to provide participants with a digital cleanup checklist, tricks to organize your email, and some great apps that are going to help. Go to successhelpchallenge.com and sign up right now.